Hi everyone, Mirka here. So I want to show you amazing tip what I recently picked up on what I'm doing. When I'm working with inner corners, I'm using normally 5, 6 and 7 millimeter on length, and many people absolutely dislike working with the short lashes. So I'm going to show you the tip what I'm doing when working with the short lashes. So hopefully you're going to start liking working with them. So when you do pick up your lashes, don't just pull them towards you, because what happens is you've got split base, and we all know when it's split base, this is wrong and it's hard to create the fans. So I'm gonna show you what to do. Make sure you've got good quality tweezers. So I'm using the 90 degree from Beauty by Mirka in rose gold. These are slim tweezers, so you don't really want to bootleg tweezers because it's going to be hard for you to pick up the short lashes. So pick any amount of lashes, but instead of pulling it all towards you and pick it off the tape, you're just going to pull half of it towards you, where the other half still stays stuck on the tape. Then you move your tweezers lower and then you pick the rest of the lashes. And voila, as you can see, the base is not split. Then you restick it back on the tape where the base is stuck on the highest part of the tape. If you go any lower, then it's going to be hard for you to open the fan because most of the length of the lash will be stuck on the sticky tape. Now you can create your perfect fan.